Hello everyone, I am Ravi Jain, heading the analytics vertical under Total Quality Management Department in Tata Steel. My role is to carry out different improvement projects under different methodologies like Six Sigma, Theory of Constraints, Critical Chain Project Management. Another significant part of my role is to keep exposing Tata Steel with new tools and techniques which are available in the market. We also believe in systems and processes in anything we do, and it is that search of a systemic tool to carry out innovation wherein we got in touch with Proin and Mr. Tito Kishan. Mr. Tito Kishan along with Dr. Sergey helped us in carrying out the initial workshops on TRIZ and level 1 certification of TRIZ to some of the people in Tata Steel. Mr. Tito Kishan also helped us in getting exposed to the hands-on experience of TRIZ. He guided some of the projects teams at Tata Steel through various phases of TRIZ project and helped us in identifying very inventive solutions for some of the projects. We are still in the very initial stage of this journey, and I hope for continued support from Proin and Mr. Tito Kishan. Thank you.
I knew Mr. Kishan and Proin Consultancy for the last couple of years. It all started with me attending a conference, the Bharat Joseph, and I'm pretty impressed with the kind of work that people are doing after the training on this. So I decided to interact with Mr. Kishan, and finally it led to we co-creating a very focused quiz program for doing very structured innovation in TVS Motor. We did already 2 batches of training with him, and the projects taken were very short projects, focusing on cost and weight reduction, hydrocarbon emissions, as well as complexity reduction, leading to high reliability and of course productivity. We found Mr. Kishan extremely knowledgeable, excellent teacher, and is able to bring out the best in the young engineers. And I think we made a right decision in partnering with Proin and him as a mentor, and I'm sure we are going to get many more benefits as we will have continuous interaction with him and the Proin Consultancy, and I wish him all the very best.
Hi, my name is Ramakrishna Rao. I lead the anesthesia and respiratory engineering for GE in Bangalore. When my team faced some critical problems with many contradictions, we decided to leverage TRIZ methodology. We approached Tito Kishan of Proin Consultancy to help us to train my team members in TRIZ methodology. So he conducted the workshop in an innovative way that helped my team not only understand TRIZ principles but also come out with innovative solutions for the problems what we're facing on. And these solutions we are implementing in my current programs. And I think the way the workshop has been conducted in the 3 different sections helped my team not only immerse them in terms of understanding the TRIZ principles, but also applying the TRIZ to problems and get the innovative solutions was very helpful. Thank you, Proin Consultancy. Thank you, Kishan, and we wish to continue more interactions in future. Thank you.
Hello and namaste. I am Nishant Jain, currently heading the New Product Development and Research COE of Lakem Innovation Center, which is a corporate R&D of Lakem RPG Private Limited, located in Gujarat. We at the Lakem Innovation Center have had the opportunity to collaborate with Proin Consultancy for the past 5 years. In this time, Proin has helped us in training more than 40 people in level 1 course of TRIZ, and few of us has even been trained in as level 2 TRIZ practitioners. Proin has been very professional in their training, and they have further helped us in quite a good number of new product development projects, wherein we were able to capture more than 35 number of patents. Every year, Proin organizes a national conference under the name of Bharat Trade Utsav, which is the Indian annual press conference, wherein actually we have been given a platform to network and collaborate with national and global press practitioners. Further, Tito has also facilitated our collaboration with Triz Master across the globe that include Dr. Sergey Igovenko, who is a Triz Master and MIT professor, and his insights has helped us in our project immensely. Proin has provided a new perspective in our oil and gas projects, energy projects, and the railway projects. For example, in the railway project, their support and critical evaluation has helped us in achieving many accolades that includes the Chairman Award and the Golden Peacock Award for the Best Innovative Product. Tito and Proin has been thorough professional, and they have helped us at the stage of various projects. It has been wonderful collaborating with Proin, and I highly recommend them for anyone interested in Triz knowledge as well as any new product development initiative. So I wish them all the best.
Hello friends, my name is Vinay Ramnath. I am the principal for Simulation and Digital Twin at Siemens Technology. Triz offers a great toolkit for innovation, and many companies have a proven track record of realizing impactful innovations through Triz. Right? And we have been using Triz for quite some time now, and largely in the area of design of new algorithms. And I would like to highlight three areas of specific contributions of Triz. Right? The first area is an invention of new algorithms using hybridization principle Triz, where we have created a new portfolio of probabilistic algorithms by suitably hybridizing, for example, sampling with optimization to create an optimized sampling method, optimization with calibration to create a Bayesian algorithm, and sustainability with AI to create a green machine learning algorithm, to name a few. The second area is in trends of technology evolution, where we are able to forecast and predict the evolution of an algorithm from its predetermined state and develop further to solve complex engineering problems hitherto could not be solved by conventional means. The third area is personalization of Triz in our daily routine, taking inspiration from its principles, as it is believed that unless we internalize, core concepts will never be clear. So summarizing, Triz offers a structured process for creating sustainable innovations, greatly enabling to solve complex problems varying in time and space. So Tito Kishan Vemuri, my close friend, has been championing Triz and inspiring individuals and organizations to embrace innovation for the last several years, and I would like to wish him all the best in his endeavor. Okay, thank you.